Ayush,
Yes, sir.
name the disease caused by protozoa.
Uh, Name the disease caused by protozoa.
हाँ जी.
Let me think. So, protozoa.
Hmm.
Name the disease caused by protozoa. So, let me think. Name the disease. Name the disease caused by protozoa. Hmm. So, I think the diseases caused by protozoa are protozoa. Hmm.
Okay. The next one
Protozoa.
is Bhavat. Next is why
Sir,
viruses are different from other living being.
sir, viruses are different from other living beings because
Yes.
viruses do not act until they are inside a host cell.
Okay. Why does a rubber sucker stick to the surface of any object? Bhavat.
Yes, sir. Uh, Sir, when the rubber sucker comes in contact uh, to any object, uh, the air inside the object
Very good.
disappears, and
Very good.
that
Very
makes
good.
it
The
stick to
next
the.
one is Bhavat. The next is which metal is plated on the handlebar of cycles and rim of wheels? Which metal is plated on the handlebars of cycle and rim of wheels?
So the metal plated on the handlebar of cycle is chromium.
Good, very good. The last one is what make distilled water a good conductor?
So distilled water does not have any impurities. That is why distilled water is a good conductor.
No, what makes distilled water a good conductor?
So it does not have any impurities in it. So electricity can pass through it.
Okay, how is conductivity of liquid tested?
Uh, so conductivity of liquid can be tested with the use of LED lamps.
Very good. Thank you, Babat. You can
It
leave now.
requires
You can leave. Fiza,
Yes, sir.
a full form of LED.
LED.
Hmm.
It is
Ayush, LED.
the full form of LED.
Hmm.
Full form.
So may
Full
I
form of LED.
हाँ जी, full form of LED.
try
हाँ जी.
light
Hmm.
emitting
LED.
diode?
Diode,
Yes.
yes, good. Light emitting diode. The next one is uh,
Yes, sir.
Fiza Sani.
Yes, sir.
Give some example that friction is necessary for everyday activity.
So it is used in to strike for if you want to use a matchstick, you need to strike the stick through with the bot. So friction is used there,
Hmm.
and
So may I try?
Just a moment.
sir, I can't think of any right now.
Okay. Fiza, what are antibiotics?
Sir, their antibiotics fight the deadly microorganisms which try to enter a body.
Example. Okay, Ayush, example of antibiotic.
The penicillin.
Okay, last question for Ayush. Uh, Name the process in the yeast that converts sugar into alcohol.
The fermentation.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Ayush. You can
Yes,
leave,
sir.
beta.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. What are the unit of force? Fiza?
Unit of force.
Hmm.
Um, so it was
Was?
no,
अभी change हो गए?
it is sorry. It is no. Yes, it is Newton.
Yes, Newton. Thank you very much. You can leave.
Okay.
Ritika, please switch on your cam, mic as well.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, Ritika, name one commercial use of yeast.
Yeast. So yeast is used commercially as it helps in the large production of alcohol every year.
Good. Give some example that friction is necessary for everyday activity.
Yes, sir. So without friction, we can't walk on a road because without friction, the sole of our slipper won't lock with the irregularities of the road, and we won't be able to walk easily on the road.
Okay. Which metal is plated on the handlebars of cycle and rim of wheels?
So chromium.
Good. Thank you very much, Ritika. You can leave now.
Okay, sir.
Jonathan, switch on your cam and mic.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, Give any two use of microorganism.
So breaking down of food particles
Hmm.
and protecting against germs.
Name the disease caused by protozoa.
Uh, Malaria.
Good. What make distilled water a good conductor?
So distilled water is a good conductor as it does not contain any salts or impurities. With Distilled water is a bad conductor.
Hmm. And what make it a good conductor?
So any salt
Yes, good.
dissolved with
Very good.
distilled water.
Why a layer of zinc coated over iron?
So to protect it from rusting.
Last one is, which is the brightest star in the sky?
Uh, uh, the North Star.
Which is the brightest star in the sky?
I think so. The sun.
Hmm? No, no,
The
no, no.
sun.
Cyrus. The next is the gap between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter is known as.
Asteroid belt.
Very good. Thank you very much. Jonathan, please drop a message for the student to
Yes, sir.
join their Viva as soon as possible.
Which one, sir?
एक मैसेज ड्रॉप कर दो ग्रुप में कि
Okay.
स्टूडेंट्स को ज्वाइन करने के लिए.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. You can leave now. Kiran, please switch on your cam.
Good evening, sir.
Very good. Why viruses are different from other living beings? Question for you is why viruses are different from other living beings?
Sir, 2 minutes. Sir, may I think?
Mm-hmm.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Why viruses are different from other living beings? Roll number 7, please open your cam. Prithviraj define constellation. Prithviraj
Yes, sir.
define constellation.
A group of stars that form known shapes are called constellations.
Okay. How Polestar have to? How will you locate the position of Polestar using Ursa Major? Prithviraj. How will you locate the position of Polestar using Ursa Major? Harkirat, please answer your question. Inderjot, please open up your mic. Prithviraj,
Yes,
please
sir.
answer.
Yes, sir.
So I don't
Inderjot,
Yes, sir.
why should we avoid standing close to TB patient while he or she is coughing?
So can you repeat the question?
Why should we avoid standing close to a TB patient, tuberculosis patient, while he or she is coughing? Harkirat, please answer. Prithviraj, I am waiting for your answer.
Sir, I don't know the answer.
Prithviraj, what type of force is friction? Contact or non-contact force?
Contact force.
Prithviraj, do lemon juice or vinegar conduct electricity? Prithviraj, do lemon juice or vinegar conduct electricity? Harkirat, do lemon juice or vinegar conduct electricity? Yes or no?
I didn't listen. Sir, I didn't listen. Can you repeat?
Do lemon juice or vinegar conduct electricity?
Do vinegar and
Do vinegar or lemon juice conduct electricity? कंडक्ट कर सकते हैं लेमन जूस और विनेगर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को कि नहीं? इंदर, इतनी
sir
देर से
no.
आंसर नहीं आया याद?
Yes, sir.
बेटा आंसर बताओ, यस सर क्या? हाँ जी हरकिरत.
Sir, I think no.
Okay, good Harkirat. Thank you very much. You can leave now.
Thank you, sir.
इंद्रजोत,
Yes, sir.
आंसर दो बेटा, यस सर क्या? कोई शक्ल देखने के लिए थोड़ा ना बुलाया आपको मैंने यहाँ पे. चलिए, व्हाट आर द लिमिटेशन ऑफ फ्रिक्शन? इंद्रजोत, लिमिटेशन ऑफ फ्रिक्शन.
Sir, it can generate two status surfaces.
Why rolling friction is less than sliding friction? Okay, thank you very much. You can leave. तनव बेटा आपको मैसेज मिला था जिसमें टाइमिंग्स गिवन थी?
Sir, can you speak again? Your voice is low.
मैंने कहा आपको वो मैसेज मिला था जिसमें टाइमिंग गिवन थी, आपको कितने बजे आपने एंटर करना है रूम में?
Yes, sir.
कितने बजे की टाइमिंग है आपकी?
Uh,
आप इतने इंटेलिजेंट बच्चे हो, आप हर बार टाइमिंग की ही मिस्टेक करते हो, क्यों करते हो ऐसा?
sorry, sir.
आप प्लीज 2 बजे एंटर करिएगा प्लीज।
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
गुड आफ्टरनून सना, योर ग्रुप इज विद रिया एंड संकल्प।
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Sorry. It's for 145.
Yeah, it's 145. Okay. Question for you is unit of force.
So the SI unit of force is Newton, which is represent as N.
Very good. Why is a layer of zinc coated over iron?
The layer of zinc is coated over iron to protect it from rusting.
Good. What are the disadvantages of friction?
Can you repeat the question, sir?
Disadvantages of friction.
Sir, the disadvantage of friction, if the surface is smooth, we can slip easily. Like when a bucket of soap water is spilled on the ground, there are no irregularities in that water, so we are easier. The friction decreases, and when we slip.
Good. What do you mean by antibiotics?
Sir, these are the medicine that are made by the help of microorganisms which kill or stop the growth of the disease-causing microorganisms.
Very nice. And the last one is, what do you mean by constellation?
Sir, the recognizable patterns performed by the star in the sky is known as constellation.
Very good. Thank you very much, Sana. You can leave now. Sankalp, please.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Sankalp, please on your cam and mic.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, first question is for Sankalp. Why viruses are different from other living beings?
Sir, while viruses are different from other living beings because virus reproduce in the body of the host.
Okay. Give one use of yeast. One use of yeast.
One,
Use of yeast. YEAST.
yeast. Sir, I don't know.
Ria.
Yes, sir.
Name one disease caused by protozoa.
The malaria.
Very good. Name the process in the yeast that converts sugar into alcohol. Ria.
The fermentation.
Very good. What are the disadvantages of friction?
Disadvantages of, so it may lead to fire if some of the trees are really rubbed, and chances for slipping. If you're walking on a wet floor, you may slip.
Okay. Which metal is coated on the handlebar of cycle?
Yes, sir. Can you repeat?
Which metal is plated on handlebar of cycle?
Handlebar. The iron.
Chromium. It's chromium. Give full form of LED. Ria, last question is LED stand for LED. Yes.
Lighting emitted diode.
Light.
Light
Not
emitting diode.
light. Thank you very much. Sankalp,
Yes, sir.
how we can reduce friction? Ria, you can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Give method to reduce friction. Welcome.
Sir, by smoothing the surface.
And or
Sir, I don't know.
what do you mean by constellation?
So constellation is the pattern of star formed in the sky.
Okay. Thank you very much. You can leave, Sankalp. Shreya, define antibiotics. Shreya, am I audible to you? Your voice is not coming. Shreya, speak up.
Yes, sir.
You are not audible to me. Okay. Define what are antibiotics.
Antibiotics are the vitamins which are used in our human bodies to improve something health.
Okay. How viruses are different from other living beings.
Virus have bad chemicals in it, so it disease occurs in human body.
Shreya, what is the full form of LED? LED. What is the full form of LED?
Sir, I don't know.
Okay. Define friction.
Friction is the force which, for example, oil in the floor, it contain more friction in it.
Okay. Very good. Thank you very much, Shreya. You can leave now, dear.
Relate motion
Hmm.
as it works.
Okay. Good. What is the full form of LED?
Sir, I'm having one connectivity problem. Please, can you wait a minute?
LED. LED stand for?
Sir, can you wait a minute? I'm having some problem in my laptop.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Dear, what is the full form of LED?
The full form of LED is light emitting diode.
Okay. What is friction?
Friction is a force which opposes relative motion between two surfaces of an object in contact.
What are antibiotics?
And antibodies are released in our body to fight bacterial viruses.
How viruses are different from other living beings?
Viruses are different from living beings because viruses have a cellular entity, but so do human living things. But a virus can either have an RNA or DNA, but living beings have them in both of the cells. Viruses can't perform processes like respiration and excretion, but living beings can.
Okay, very good. The last one is, what make distilled water a good conductor?
What made distilled water is not a good conductor as it is in the purest form and it does not have any salt to conduct electricity.
Okay. Thank you very much, Shivam. You can leave now.
Should I leave?
Yeah, definitely. Thank you. Okay, how can we eliminate friction completely?
Sir, eliminate friction completely. Sir, we have to make sure that this surface is absolutely smooth.
Very
As
good.
if the surface is smooth, then there is less chances of friction happening. It should be slippery, and so there will be no friction.
Very good. Which metal is coated on the handlebar of cycle?
Sir, can you please repeat?
Which metal is coated on the handlebar of cycle?
Which metal?
Hmm.
Sir, I
And
don't know.
rim of tires as well.
Sir, rubber?
Metal. Rubber is a metal.
Oh, sorry, metal. Sir, iron?
Chromium. It's chromium.
Okay.
Okay. And the last one is, what is a satellite?
Sir, a satellite is made, sir, natural satellite or artificial satellite?
Satellite, general satellite. Definition of a satellite.
Sir, it is like natural satellite, like example moon, it revolves around the earth, and artificial satellites are made by us human beings so that we can see what is beyond the earth's
Very good.
atmosphere.
Very good. Thank you very much, Sankirtana. Stay blessed and keep working.
Sir.